Oh, woo! It's a fucking rock. What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. Trying to bring another video real quick. Trying to show out the homeboy's MT10. Forgot what year it is, but he just started and he got one of these, man. Looks sick, looks dope. Fresh out the dealer. The MT10, nice color too. Got a nice color to it. We'll see it more in depth when we get up there. And if anybody's from around here don't know about Lyttle Creek, it's not, I wouldn't say called official twisties, because sometimes the road is dirty, sometimes I don't know, it ain't all that. But I mean, for being like stupid close like this, it's pretty good. Let's see if he lane splits. Are you gonna lane split, bro? Oh yeah, this is the homie Hector, by the way. And I woke up not too long ago, man. My brain ain't all there yet. Yeah, he did lane split. What happened to you, sir? Oh, look, cop behind us. Fucking Hector. Come on, Hector, come. No. That was like a coyote or something. Woo! This is where we was heading. Hope everybody's alright. The Mustang. He's got the man bun. Oh my god. Oh man, we got racers up in here. Gonna hit some mountain action. Let's hope there's no dead shit on the road action, man. Hey, but this is a good ass place to practice though, man. I really like this place. Besides the fact that there might be debris on the floor, and also there's always a lot of people up here, you know, like they just pull out from where they where they get off to get inside the river. I wouldn't even call it a river. It's very small. It's like a stream, but it's nice. It's a creek. It's called Lyttle Creek, and it's a good creek. When it gets stupid hot out here in Fontana, oh man, you best believe a lot of people are gonna come out here, man. That water, since it's like fucking snow water, it is freaking cold, man, and it's just perfect. It's colder than the beach water. So when the beach water is not enough and you live around here, get your ass to Lyttle Creek, man. Throw a watermelon on the damn river. That shit gets nice and cold. Oh man, my little YouTube man is on the outer space. Look at that. Oh, woo! It's a fucking rock. Fucking bitch ass rock threw me off. Woo! I almost ate shit. I keep for looking at people and not paying attention to the road. Oh my god. Well, at least I caught it on camera. People looked at me like, what the fuck? Fucking noob. Oh man, that shit was embarrassing. See, that's what you gotta pay attention. That was a fucking, I'm gonna check out the video. That was a rock that caught my front tire, made me fucking skip aside, and then I kicked my foot down. I touched the damn freaking road with my foot. But guess what? We're wearing these Alpine Star freaking sneakers with protection, so I'm good. If it would have been my fucking tennis shoes or fucking Chucks, that shit would have fucking hurt. We're practicing. Oh god, people are savages. Oh, it's nice. This probably looks sketchy as hell at night walking through here. Get some Sasquatch action up in her. You might fuck up your bike, man, but you can try, man. You can do whatever you want. No, I ain't going up there. I am not going up there. All right, so we're up here now. All right, that's the shooting range. I'm not gonna jump all the way up there so you guys can see it, but pretty sure a lot of people, if you guys are from around here, already know what's up with that. That's the off-road shit that this guy wanted to go real quick. I said, fuck that. And here's his bike, woo, which is nice. All right, say some facts, man. What is it?
This is a 998cc.
All right, man. You're telling me the bike. Say it.
It's the master of torque, bro.
Yeah.
It's the last in the line of the MTs. The only model after this is the MT10 SP. Yamaha, super reliable.
Look at those eyes.
Hella fast. Got the same, almost the same engine as the R1. Just
tuned differently, right?
tuned differently. Crossplane 4 engine. Not really sure what that means, but.
And what do you call this?
That right there is an exhaust right there.
And it's gotta be a Yamaha, man.
Look at that helmet though.
That's that Shoei RF 1200, right? Perfect for the bike. Yo, the guy that passed it, I'm pretty sure he went up there.
I'm not matching at all. I got the fucking Dainese jacket, the Shoei helmet, and the
Oh, it's a
Alpine Star
Dainese
gloves.
jacket?
Yeah.
Dainese.
It's actually Dainese.
Just Japanese, bro.
It's Italian poop.
Let's see the dash, bro.
It's Italian poop.
Some Japanese shit, homie. Some Vietnamese shit.
I got it all up. I'm a citizen of the world, eh?
The foods that say that?
I don't know what.
Alright, look at that.
Forgetting
Okay.
Sir Marshall. I'm a citizen of the world, dog.
Got that carbonated water. Yeah.
Some hibiscus.
Some Jamaica.
From the hibiscus.
Oh, see, now I can use the fact. Some Jamaica. That's what hibiscus is. And here's my dirty bike. She's dirty right now. All right. Oh, there's a little setup. This motherfucker's in the fucking outer space right now. No music.
I like this.
Going down. It's GSXR, like sexer. Sexer.
It's not even a 600 though. I just noticed it's a 750.
Yeah, it's a 750. I had to get this shit so they know. So they know what time it is, man.
Did you really?
Yeah, because what is it?
600, right?
600, right? 1,000. No, 750. Damn, this one's faded. Oh, 250 alert. What up, brother? Nice bike. It's a little 250. Ah, go for it. That's good, man. What? We're gonna have to do this, man. Nice shit, bro.